Sorry for the awkward cutoff to the last video. This is going to be very short and sweet. At the last of the things that I want you to look for with a great train robbery is this panning on a 90-degree axis going to the left. It's going to be the one moving camera shot that you get. So do watch for that. So again, as I said before, you're going to go watch two films at this point. A Trip to the Moon from 1902 by Georges Méliès, and this film, 1903, from the Edison Company, directed by Edwin S. Porter, The Great Train Robbery. It consists of 15 shots, but it also has some parallel editing where you're going to cut from one story happening in one location to another story happening in another location. There's also going to be some rear screen projection where you'll see through a window, whether it's in an office or on a train. You'll see background that is projected of another moving image. And in the second half of the film, you'll also get some hand tinting. So keep in mind, when you see any other color, it is all done by hand. That means every single frame of the negative, people had to go in and color that image. So it is a long, cumbersome process, but it is a very effective process. So both of these films are available to you in the links through Brightspace. You may have to log in to the database in order to access them. If you do, use the exact same login information that you use for accessing Brightspace. So you don't need that at pstcc.edu at the end. You do need the rest of the information. As always, if you have any technical issues or problems, please don't hesitate to let me know. If it's a time that I'm not going to be online, you also can contact the help desk and they can help you with that. I hope you enjoy the screenings.